Come on, look, just this guy. She said that with his heels and hands tied, he could get out of the trunk in less than 3 seconds. I didn't believe it at all. Come on, let's close the trunk first. Let's see how she comes out. Let's lock the door. Come on, you come out. Aren't you arrogant? I see how you come out. 3, 2, 1. What? How did you get out? I obviously locked the door.
Oh, this is a hidden escape function in your car. It's very simple. We are trapped in the trunk and can't get out. Don't worry at this time. We will find this on the door panel of the trunk. The escape switch is the small cover. We pull it off lightly. There is a small iron piece inside. This is our escape switch. You can open the trunk for emergency escape by flipping it with 2 fingers.
It turns out that this small organ is here. If you don't tell me, I really don't know where I am.
90% of the drivers don't know this secret. In fact, there are many hidden functions in your car, some of which can save money, and some can save lives in times of crisis. First, when we met cars on a narrow road, the rearview mirror was easily scratched. At this time, we found this knob on the door panel of the vehicle, twisted it to put away the rearview mirror, and passed safely. Second, if you encounter brake failure, don't panic. Just hold the electronic handbrake switch here and keep it tight, so that the car will stop steadily. Third, our vehicle is out of battery and cannot be started. We must not rush to call a tow truck, so as not to waste this money. In fact, all our cars can be started in an emergency, usually behind the steering wheel. Have you seen this sign? We put the car key on it, then stepped on the brake, and it started normally. Finally, our car broke down on the road, and no one helped us to push the car. At this time, we adjusted the seatbelt to the longest position, then closed the door, and put the seatbelt on our shoulders, so that we can exert the power of the whole body. Come push the cart. You see, the wheel has started to turn, and at this time our right hand can be used to control the direction. Even a little girl can easily. How about it? Have you learned that? Follow me and go to the homepage to learn more car knowledge.